Hello, and welcome to another edition of Tech Tip Tuesday. Today we're going to talk about the differences between scoreback and split-back liners. These are commonly used in sheeted products at Wausau. The first example I have is this decal that has a split-back liner. A split-back liner is where the liner is cut through completely. You'll see that this creates an ease of exposing the adhesive in applications where someone wants to remove the liner quickly without any effort of bending the face stock. One word of caution when using a split back liner is that there could be some slight show through of where that split line is mirrored into the face stock. Here's an example of one that I have not bent yet, and you can just see if I twist it slightly, you can see where that line is indicating the split line. Just something to note, it may be more visible with high ink coverage or flood coated label. The second option that we have for cutting on the liner is a scoreback product. This example is a high gloss with a perm-opaque adhesive and standard scored liner. As you can see on the liner, the scores are placed 1.25 inches apart. That's our standard score pattern. In order to activate the score, you simply press the face stock together, and you can kind of hear that snap, and then you're able to expose the adhesive. As I mentioned, this is a perm-opaque adhesive, so that's where you can see the gray lines. Anywhere that there's a score, you're able to activate that score line, and you kind of hear that little pop sound every time you break the score. Advantages of this product are many. One is that it's a stocking product. Our standard score product is available in many face stocks and adhesive combinations. It also is non-show-through. So even on glossy products, which typically are a problem, this is the sample of the high gloss with the opaque adhesive, and you can see there's no indication of scoring on the face, but you flip it over and you'll see those score lines. Other examples I have here are the standard high gloss, and this is just a 60-pound high gloss face, permanent adhesive with a scored liner. So you can see the scores on the liner there. And lastly, I have a sample of our digital vinyl. So this is our 12 by 18 dual digital vinyl. So on the face stock, you cannot see that there are scores, but when I flip it over, you can see the score lines on the back. Again, all of these products are available, both stocking and custom, at Wausau. Please contact your Wausau sales rep or customer solutions specialist for more information.